Meditation has been shown to reduce stress, to improve focus, and create the right conditions for healthy, restful sleep. Headspace is guided meditation for everybody, no matter who you are or what you do. Whether you're just starting meditating or whether you've been doing it for years, we can help you to train your mind for a healthier, happier life. To get started, visit headspace.com or download our app. Once you're all signed up, choose a topic you'd like to focus on. Let's see, sleep? Or maybe self-esteem? And we'll suggest the right exercises for you to try. If you enjoy them and want to learn more, then it's time to subscribe. When you do, you'll get access to hundreds of guided meditations from the Headspace library. There are bite-sized mini meditations for when you're short on time. Exercises to add mindfulness to everyday tasks, like commuting or running. And packs to help you with everything, from relationships to sport, or even sleep. With dozens of packs to choose from, Headspace is your personal meditation guide to just about everything.